Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be a Vegas haul. So as you guys know, I recently went to Vegas with my husband. He had a work trip, so I just flew out towards the tail end of it and we had a couple days there. We stayed at the Venetian. We had a wonderful time. I will be sure to link that video at the end of this video in case you're interested in checking it out. So anyway, we've probably been to Vegas like 10 times. It's one of our favorite places. I love it so much, but every time I go to Vegas, I like to do a little shopping because if you guys have ever been there, they have some of the best shopping. They have like the nicest Sephoras. They have some of your more luxury stores like Gucci and Louis Vuitton and YSL. And you know, those are purchases that I can't make all the time. So it's special to me when I go to Vegas. So if I know we're going, I like to put money aside a couple months leading up to it. And then I like to treat myself to something nice. So I did purchase a few items that I wanted to share with you guys today. Okay, so I got 2 makeup items and then I got 2 handbag / accessory items. So I will save those for the end. Let's start with makeup. So I have been dying to try the Jennifer Lopez collection at Inglot. Of course, you guys know Jennifer Lopez is beautiful. Her highlight always looks so stunning, but I don't have an Inglot near me. Well, I happened to be in the Caesars Forum shops and I saw they had an Inglot. So I went in there and I saw they had her highlighter, so I want to show you guys what I got. It was only $22, which I thought was priced really well. They had a pressed powder highlight and they also had this one right here, which is Live in the Highlight. It's an illuminator for your face, eyes, and body. It comes in this package right here, and then it just says Jennifer Lopez by Inglot on the front. And then it comes with this, oh, it comes with this little puff, which I think is neat. And then it comes with a little sifter. So let me show you guys. I know I'm going to end up breaking my nail trying to open these things, but that's okay. I will do it for you guys so you can see what the highlighter looks like. Okay, so you guys can see it right there on my hand. That is beautiful. It is really shimmery and sparkly, and I'm just so excited. Let me see if I can put a little bit like on my cheekbones. You can see that's beautiful. I mean, her highlight always looks nice. I think this is going to look stunning, especially if you apply it wet as well, like if you use a setting spray underneath of it. So I'm definitely going to have to use this in a tutorial so we get a full effect. I was really excited to test this out. Again, Jennifer Lopez has some of the most beautiful glowing skin. So if this gives me Jennifer Lopez in a container, then I will take it. Okay, moving on. I went into the Sephora. They had a huge Sephora beneath the Venetian. So they had a lot of brands that I don't usually see in my Sephora, and one of those brands is Givenchy. And I was just kind of like a kid in a candy store and I saw they had a highlighter. Now you guys know, again, we've talked about it before. I know I'm a little obsessed with highlighters, but anytime I see something sparkly and shiny, I'm just like drawn to it. So they had this shimmer powder. They had it in a couple shades and I got an 02, which is shimmery gold. And I think I just wanted it because I had never tried anything from Givenchy before, but look at that package. It's so beautiful. It's just classic black and it has the Givenchy logo right there. Oh, that's cute. Right there it has like a little silver button. That's how you open it. And it comes with a mirror. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. I don't know if it'll focus, but look how beautiful that is. Givenchy is embossed in it. So, oh my gosh, that is beautiful, you guys. Oh, that's so pretty. I can't wait to try that out as well. Oh my gosh, so nice. This one was a little more expensive. I want to say it was $42. Don't quote me on that. Something along those lines, but I just thought it was very beautiful. It looked nice in the packaging, and then when I swatched it in the store, it looks so stunning. So I had to have it. And then I told myself, Amber, no, you don't need any more makeup. And I said, you know what? I'm not going to buy anything else. They had a huge mall. I wanted to save my money for something very, very special. So that moves in. So that moves me into my next purchase, my next 2 items. So I do have to say I've been on the hunt for a brand new handbag, but I wanted a specific type of handbag. First, it had to fit into my price range because you know these bags can get out of control. So I had a certain price range that I wanted to stick to. And I wanted a bag that was nice, but yet I could kind of dress it down, kind of more casual, because on the weekends, you know, I'll wear my yoga pants or, you know, my workout pants, and I just want a bag I can put on that's still cute, but yet it doesn't look too dressy. So I had been wanting a YSL bag or a Saint Laurent bag, and you might have seen some clips that I put in the vlog. It took me so long to figure out which bag to get because I wanted silver and they didn't have the bag I wanted in the silver hardware. The guy was saying that apparently everybody wanted gold, but the gold was sold out, so everyone started buying silver, and because of that, now the gold was the only one left. So anyway, he said he could order it. They only had 4 left, but I was like, no, I really wanted to get something while it was there, and I didn't have anything in the silver, in the gold hardware. So it got to the point where I took pictures of so many different bags that I saw, and I even asked my husband, and he helped me narrow it down. So I want to thank you today for helping me. Let me show you the bag that I did end up getting. First off, they make it so nice because they put it in the Saint Laurent box, and you get a little Saint Laurent dust bag. And I have to say, I do always tend to gravitate towards black bags because I wear a lot of black, but this is the bag that I got. Is it not beautiful? I love it. So let me give you an up close so you can see. It is leather, and it kind of has like the chevron print, and then here is the hardware. It's the gold YSL, but it's kind of like the rustic gold. It's not the bright, pretty, shiny gold, and they only had this and they had the silver, but again, the silver I would have to order, so it would take a couple days, and I was like, I'm in Vegas, I want to buy something while I'm here, so it's kind of memorable. So anyway, so this is called the camera bag, and I really liked it because it was inexpensive. Well, it's all relative. It was more inexpensive than the other bags, and it was pretty large in size. It came with this little tassel right here that says Saint Laurent, and then right here this says Saint Laurent Paris. And so let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it would hit me right at the hip, but again, the way my camera is, you can't really see it, but let me give you an up close. It's so beautiful and chic and classic, and like I said, I can either wear it to work and dress it up with some pants, wear it as a crossbody, or on the weekends I can dress it down. And there is so much space on the inside. There's a pocket, and this is where I usually keep all the tags just to hold on to it. And again, like I said, so much space. So I was really excited. Again, I did want it in the silver hardware because I do usually wear silver, and my ring is platinum, so I wanted it all to match. But I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go gold because it's gonna be something different, okay? And then I started thinking, okay, well, since I went for this bag, okay, so let me back up. So this bag, there was a big story that went into it. I wanted to get it from Neiman Marcus because Neiman Marcus was having a deal where if you spent a certain amount, you got 10,000 bonus points, which meant you would get a $100 gift card sent to you. But they didn't have any bag I wanted at Neiman Marcus, so I was like, I really want to take advantage of the points so I can get a $100 gift card, and I usually use the $100 gift card on Kendra Scott earrings, so so I was like, what can I get? Well, my YSL wallet that I currently have is silver, and it would just kind of clash with that, which I know, first world problems, it doesn't matter, but I just was on the hunt for a little tiny wallet with gold hardware that I could wear in any of my crossbody bags. So that brings me to my next purchase. So Neiman Marcus, I looked at a bunch of their different wallets, and this is the one I came to. It's in this little cute little dust bag. How cute is this? Okay, so this one is, I don't want to butcher the name. It is the Monogram Saint Laurent Mate Lace Zip. Mate Lace. I'm probably butchering that. I'm so sorry. But look how cute this is, you guys. It is a little tiny black wallet. It has the YSL in gold. Let me try to give you like a close-up. It has the YSL in gold, and here's what I liked about it. So you open it up, it has credit card holders, a place for your license, and it has a billfold. And on top of that, it has like a little place to put your change as well. It has a little change purse. I love this. I think this looks so classic and chic, and I just thought, let me show you. I thought it would look really nice. So, here I have the crossbody bag, then I have the gold to put in here, and on top of that, it is a small compact wallet, so I can put it in some of my other crossbody bags. Like I do have one. Let me show you. This bag right here is the Louis Vuitton bag that I've had for a long time, but my big complaint is I don't have any wallets that will really fit. But the good thing about this one is this actually fits in there too. So see, so I was thinking, you guys. So anyway, so those are the items that I purchased. I feel like I got some good highlighters. Bag in this wallet I put a lot of thought into, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, not only for work, but on top of that, the weekends, just being casual. And then this wallet is so cute and compact, but you can fit so many things in it, which I really, really love. Credit cards, change, and it has a billfold. A lot of times these wallets won't have billfolds, and I'm so happy it did. So if you guys have any questions at all about anything that I purchased today, make sure to leave it down below. As always, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you join my family, and I will be sure to link the Las Vegas vlog at the end of the video so you can kind of see some of the other bags I was checking out. There was one at Louis Vuitton that I liked, but it was a little pricier, and again, I had a little price range in mind, and you guys know with these luxury handbags, sometimes they can get a little bit out of control, and I had a certain amount set aside that I wanted to stick to. You know, you're not in Vegas that often, so I'm like, I have to take advantage of it. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.